This is interesting. See that? Straight up. Where is the road? Let's play with some more. Hello people, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. I know my hair is a little messy after bath. It's okay, not a problem. We're checking out from Indus Valley Guest House here in Chumatang. Bikes are already loaded. I'll show you the bikes. They're there. See? One is here, the other one is there. So, Somururi and Hanle will be pending for us. We'll do it some other time. We're just going ahead with our schedule. But first things first, we need to go to Leh, get that motorcycle checked and repaired because chain sprocket is damaged a little. We can't ride to Sarchu in that conditions. So we'll go there. Before all of that, we'll go have some breakfast. Hello bolo.
हेलो
जोर से बोलो.
जोश
हेलो.
हेलो
जुले. नाम क्या है?
छत्तुस
हाँ?
छत्तुस
ऐसे अर्थ ಆಗಲ್ವೋ? Very difficult to pronounce their names. We stopped here for breakfast just below our Indus Valley Guest House. Once you come out of the road, we come here and stop. We had dinner here. We had Maggie for dinner last night. So bike is ready to reach Leh. From Leh, we'll get the bike repaired and we'll see how long that takes. And after that, we'll decide according to that. For now, पेट के अंदर पेट पूजा करना है. पेट पूजा करेंगे और इसके साथ विष्णु विष्णु करेंगे. टाटा. Bye bye. Come, we'll go. You want to go on bike? So that is the puncture shop where we got his tire fixed. Fist bump. Leh is 137. Not 110. 137. Karu is 102. Upshi is 87. That is a checkpost. That is where we saw Chumatang is 87. What's happening is we didn't visit any place. We just came all the way to Chumatang. Rode to Rango. Yeah, we visited the temple. Met a few nice people there who offered us lunch and all that. If you've seen that in the previous vlog, if not, please go watch it. We made it to Upshi without any problems. I'm happy both the bikes are performing great. If we take left, we go towards Manali, but for now we can't do that. We need to go straight, get the bike fixed, get fueled up, and then come to Manali route. We found our ATM, but Royal Enfield Service Center is closed because today is a Sunday. We didn't know that since we're not keeping track of the days. So we found another mechanic shop where they have spares as well. We'll get Itish's motorcycle checked over there and if needed repair it and then move forward. So Itish's bike is ready. Okay, bhaiya. So his rear chain sprocket was replaced. We didn't replace the entire stuff. We just replaced the rear one. And we had issues with the tire, right? Got that sorted there at Apex Tire Works. Nice guy, does a great job. He knows what he's doing. It's time to leave Leh. Time is 12:20. Nadia, main road. It's 12:30 and we're headed towards Manali. Let's see how far we can make it. ಹೋಗಿ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ ಲಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ? ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ರೋಡ್ HL. ಹಾಂ ದಮ್ಲೂರ್ ಹತ್ರ. ನೀವು ಸೋಲೋನಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆನಾ? ಡಾಮ್ಲರ್ ಒಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈಗ, ಅದು ಕೆ ಗಾಡಿನ, ಅವ್ರು BSK ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ನೀನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಮನಾಲಿ. हेमन HEMAN. हाँ बाइक. थैंक यू. Sarchu, Tanglangla and Sarchu is ahead of us. We had lunch. There was that kid. She went there by then. Bye. Tata. She's hiding now. Bye. Pang is 126. Okay, so Pang is before Sarchu. We won't be doing Sarchu then if we are staying back at Pang. See this? There's one piece here, there is a patch there, and again there is this big rock. Oh, this is like a passage here. Wow, this is interesting. See that? Straight up. We are headed towards Tanglangla top and it's starting to drizzle now. What do we do? How far is Tanglangla top? I'll have to remove the camera and put it in the casing. Another 30 kilometers. Pang is 95, Sarchu is 173, Manali 394. A lot of camping sites on this route, huh? You can come here and camp actually. They have these areas, they have built few compounds and a gate and a camping area for you inside. So you can put up your tent and stay there. This is nice. This has to be promoted more in our country. 14,160 feet. We are already at this height. So I'm guessing Yatish's bike is having his power drop issues. So he's a little slow, he's behind. I'm not aware of the height of Tanglangla top. We'll see that once we reach there. I'm wearing this ventilated mesh gloves. If it starts getting cold, I'll just remove the other gloves and start using them. So you see the board? It says first view of Tanglangla. That is the peak which is at its highest, so that has to be Tanglangla according to me. I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, we reached here. I'm just waiting for Yatish to come. He's here. Huh? ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಡಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬುಲೆಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ,
ಗಾಡಿ ಏರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಂದೇ ಏರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
350 ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. Dude, is that Tanglangla? Even you don't know. Okay, I'm guessing that peak is only Tanglangla.
It should be, because
that is the highest peak, right? That's the top. Please do the honors, click few photos as always. So this side it is final view of Tanglangla for people who are going down. For us, first view. Come on, we got the view. Let's go to the top. अरे बाबा, चलो ಹಾಗೆ ಚಲೋ. ನೀನೇ ಹೋಗಿರು. ಹಾಂ,
ನನ್ನಿಂದ ನೀನು ಬಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Come on, dude, you can do it. So we reached the place where there is ice by the road. See, the things become black because of the slush. But the roads were nice all the way to the top. Slight rough patches once you reach some altitude, otherwise completely 2-lane tarmac. You can do it with ease. I still don't know which is Tanglangla. This looks so nice. It's actually quite soft. I don't know if we'll get this any further, but let's play with some more. Ah, went right inside. This is a little clean here. Let's keep moving. We still have to go further. We haven't reached the top yet. Karnataka, Bangalore. Here it is. You have reached Tanglangla. This is the second highest pass in the world at 17,582 feet. We have reached Tanglangla top. This is the temple. I'm not stepping in, so it's completely covered with flags. I don't know if I can go with my shoes till there. There it is. There is Leh, there is a motorcycle, the boats, and there is a small confusion. In Changla Pass it was written as it is the second highest pass. This is still not updated because it says it is at 17,582 feet and passing through the second highest pass. See, so we're passing through two second highest passes. So the BRO needs to update all this. They need to get all this updated. Not that cold. It's 3:25 in the afternoon. You don't feel that breathless as well. It's okay. There's adequate amount of sunlight, some clouds, and wherever we go, our bikes become a point of attraction for everyone. They all want pictures, so they're getting clicked.
ಸರ್ಚಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂದದ ನೀನು.
ಸರ್ಚಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯ, ಕೀಲಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ?
ನೀನು ತಾನೆ ಅದು ಹೈ AMS ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತ
ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಂದೆ?
ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಬರುವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ.
ಹಾಂ, ನಾರ್ಮಲಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈ ಆಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. AMS ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಓಕೆ ವಿತ್ ಇಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ಮಿ ಟಿಲ್ ನೋ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್.
ನಿನಗೇನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು. ಐರನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್.
ಐ ಐರನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂಡ್.
ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ನೋಡು.
ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಕಾರ್ದುಂಗ್ಲಾ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್.
बेंगलोर से निकल के
10th को छोड़े थे बैंगलोर
10 को।
हाँ एक डेट क्या है
5th
अभी आप शायद हमारे उधर से ही जाएंगे, आते समय आ जाना।
हाँ
सातार से ही जाएंगे ना।
नहीं मैं चंडीगढ़ से बाइक शिफ्ट कर रहा हूँ,
ऐसा है,
ये चला के आएगा।
ऐसा है क्या?
हाँ मैं यहाँ से नागपुर हैदराबाद,
वो साइड से जाएंगे।
हाँ वो से सीधा सेंट्रल इंडिया से निकल जाएंगे। तो वो इजी है और पता है मुझे रास्ता, तो
पुणे से आए ना।
हाँ पुणे से उस तरफ आता पड़ता। हाँ पुणे किया था हम, सितंबर में किया था हम पुणे। हाँ
महाराष्ट्र
मालसेज लोनावाला, हाँ पूरा घूम के आया सितंबर में।
मलसेज घाट बहुत अच्छा था।
ऐसा ऐसा हमारे ये आदमी बहुत घूमे,
ओह
साइकिल पे आए, लेह लद्दाख की साइकिल भी लेके आए,
साइकिल, हाँ ग्रेट।
वैष्णो देवी जाके आए,
हाँ ओके,
कन्याकुमारी जाके आए,
ओह अच्छा।
इधर भी कन्याकुमारी अपना नेपाल भी जाके आए
हाँ नेपाल भी देखा है
साइकिल पे।
साइकिल पे। अरे मानना पड़ेगा,
लेह लद्दाख कैसे वाले? हाँ
मानना पड़ेगा, साइकिल में किया था।
वो पूरी फैमिली गई थी दोनों इधर अपना कन्याकुमारी।
हाँ
वो लड़की उनकी वो बीवी,
ओके, ऑल साइकिलिस्ट।
महाराष्ट्र से साइकिल।
हाँ महाराष्ट्र।
महाराष्ट्र टू कन्याकुमारी ऑन साइकिल सर, अप्रिशिएटेड, ग्रेट।
2 बार कारदुगला हो गया।
खारदुंगला 2 बार।
यार हमारा बाइक नहीं चल रहा है,
2012
यहाँ बाइक नहीं चल रहा है इसका।
साइकिल से गया।
बाइक से भी आया 2-3 बार।
ओके
मेरे पास कमांडो है,
हाँ
एक बार थंडरबर्ड लेके आया था, 2 बार वो कमांडो है,
हाँ।
रेनिगेट, वो भी बढ़िया है। बाइक से बचा जो है उसको नहीं है। साइकिल पे इससे भी ज़्यादा बचाता है, लेकिन वो कम लोग करते हैं।
हाँ बहुत कम लोग करते हैं ना, मिला था बहुत साइकिल केरला से।
कल अभी बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं,
हाँ
अभी पीछे मिलेंगे आपको,
ओके,
अभी आ रहे हैं 4-5 लोग
आ रहा है, ऊपर आ रहा है।
ऊपर आ रहे हैं।
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है, ओके सर, नाइस मीटिंग यू, थैंक यू। So their entire family cycled to Kanyakumari from Maharashtra. That's nice. Actually, thing is, when you come from Manali, you have a steep climb. So your altitude gaining is very high. You gain altitude very fast. So when you're going from here, I don't think it should be a problem. So we actually plan to stay in Pang, but we'll reach Pang really early now, by 4. So might as well reach Sarchu and cover some distance as well. And Sarchu is really nice actually. The camps over there are nice. So let's see. Hope everything goes fine. Oi! Watch the road, dude. We are traveling in Moreh Plains now. This stretch is called Moreh Plains. हाँ और हार ले गए और बर्बाद हो गए।
क्यों?
उसका गाड़ी का टायर फट गया। हानले जाते वक्त चुमतांग में रुके थे, वहाँ से हानले जा रहे थे तो उसका टायर का प्रॉब्लम हुआ। फिर वहाँ से ट्रेलर में लाके चुमतांग में मेरा एक्स्ट्रा ट्यूब लगा के ले जाके आज स्प्रॉकेट भी बदला के अब जा रहे हैं हम। तो सोमवार ऐसे मिस हो गया। ठीक है, एडवेंचर तो हो गया।
कहाँ स्टे कर रहा है? सरचू।
हम भी वही प्लान कर रहे हैं सरचू के लिए।
सरचू पूछ दूंगा, यहाँ रुक रहे हैं हम, वहाँ देख लेंगे।
हाँ
रेड रॉक में हम रुक रहे हैं,
हाँ
वहाँ अगर हो गया एक्स्ट्रा तो करवा दूंगा।
डन।
और बढ़िया।
वहीं पे देखा था आपका गाड़ी उपसी में, आप नहीं थे गाड़ी पे।
कहाँ पे?
उपसी।
अच्छा उपसी में।
हाँ गाड़ी देखा, गाड़ी पे कोई नहीं था तो खाना खाने गए, आप ऐसे ही निकल गए।
देखा नहीं मैंने।
और कुछ नहीं, ऐसे ही।
सुबह फिर चलना, साथ साथ ही चलना, अगर प्रॉब्लम होगी तो देख लेंगे।
हाँ
क्या मसला है?
अब तो प्रॉब्लम तो कुछ नहीं है, अब तो सब सॉल्व हो गया।
टायर नया डलवाया वो?
नहीं नहीं, टायर वही है, वो अंदर जो पट्टी आता ना, हाँ वो पट्टी भी टूट गया था।
अरे वो जो स्पोक के ऊपर लगता है।
हाँ वो पट्टी वहाँ कहीं नहीं मिला, रंगों से गाड़ी में टिप्पर पे लेके आए।
मिलेगा भी नहीं इधर, वो अपने आप ही बनाना पड़ेगा ट्यूब काट के।
किया वो करके चुमातांग से लेके आए।
जमा थांग तक आए ना।
चुमातांग पे रूम था तो वहाँ स्टे किया था हमने, तो वहाँ से ले आ गए हम आराम से, तो सब ठीक है अब। ठीक है, क्या बोला आपने? रेड रॉक देखेंगे, आई विल सी यू देयर।
रुकते हैं आगे पांग में,
पांग में रुकेंगे, चाय
चाय के लिए खाने।
ठीक है, पांग में रुकेंगे।
रेडी गो कर।
And we are back into the hilly region after the plains. Oh, look at that. So that must be Pang. So that is Pang village, and just some coffee shop and all that. 5 kilometers. They have an helipad as well as a military unit there. Let's continue. So just 5 kilometers before Pang, the road becomes narrow. Otherwise, all the way from the start till here, the roads were just awesome. 2-lane roads, Bureau rocks. So once you cross Pang, the roads take a bad shape. See him cycling, man, superb. A lot of noise coming from the front of the bike. Don't know how many nuts and bolts are loose. We've reached another mountain pass, high altitude mountain pass, which I'm not aware of. This is called Lachungla. It is at 116,616 feet. चलिए फोटो लेना, बस फोटो लेना था।
ले लो।
हाँ हाँ,
कहाँ से आए भाई?
बैंगलोर।
बैंगलोर। अच्छा वो
हाँ होटल पे खाना खा रहे थे ना। हाँ, here we are crossing yet another mountain pass, high altitude mountain pass on this road trip. This is Lachungla at 16,616 feet. Now we are at Nakila top, which is at a height of 15,547 feet. So yeah, there Nakila 15,547. We've been doing high altitude passes today. This is the third one we've reached. First was Tanglangla, then we reached Lachungla, now Nakila. So that's one more mountain pass done. How many more to come? I don't know. But I am having a small problem with my motorcycle now. After all the off-roading, I don't know if the rear wheel bearing has gone bad or the suspension has gone bad. When I go into potholes, it wobbles a lot. So I'm riding really slow for the last 10 kilometers. We have 43 more to go. I can't drop the motorcycle in potholes because it just moves left and right from the back. We need to sort that out. So we'll be heading to Manali tomorrow for that without fail. There is some shortcut here, but it's too steep. And will it take me down there is the question. There's a truck which toppled. Dangerous road. Yatish is flying it now. when I have problems with my motorcycle. It happens, boys, it happens. So we reached the Gata loops. Totally 21 loops, that is these hairpin bends. We have 21 of these loops, and we'll see if it's possible to show you guys. Yeah, see there. See that, how it loops. Like that, like that, like that. There. These are a few of those loops, and there are 21 of them. So Gata loop ends here. Total of 21 loops at an altitude of 4,201 meters. That is 13,780 feet. What more does this road have to offer? I have no idea. There is one more high altitude pass. I'm not sure if it's on this road. Let's see. But it won't be for today. We'll be reaching Sarcho in the next, I think, 1 hour. About 24 kilometers left. I have no idea which is the road now. There is one going there, there's one going here, and this is completely powder, dust, pure dust. No wonder the cars coming from this side were so dirty. Yeah, some tarmac on the side. Let's go there. I have to go that way. Huh? No, we'll go this way. Why go the long way? We'll take the short way. But the short way is tough. It's so deep. What a road condition here. Where is the road? Why are all the vehicles going on this muddy path? No clue. I literally can't see. I don't know where I'm going into. It's like a dust storm. It's like everyone makes their own way, I'm making my own way. Just avoiding that dusty area. I try to stay on the left hand side so that we avoid the dust, but the tracks on the left closed, so oh my goodness, this is one hell of a mess, you know. Oh, it's so damn slippery. I need to get on top there. Come. I reached on top. Huh. Huh. Look at this. Huh. That was tough. That was really tough.